Hello there, today I show you how to easy make $14 for playing games. All we need is phone with internet connection. Phone where we download the game and complete the offer. The page we will use is ySense. In short, ySense is about promoting various things such as surveys or offers to be made. This works on the principle that advertisers pay ySense for the performance of the offer and they share money for performing these actions. The game that interests us is King of Avalon, for which we get $8 plus $3 ySense bonus. That together is $11 for one game. ySense doesn't have a negative opinion, at least I haven't found one, and I've been on the website for a long time. Here you have how to find this offer. I recommend registering from my link. I also recommend you to collect your own referrals, because if their earnings exceed $5, it is enough they just make this offer that I show you. You will get a $2 ySense bonus for that. But to the point. In order to perform the action correctly, we have to reach the 13th level of the fortress. I did this offer in 3 days. Here you can see how I am already upgrading fortresses to level 12. This game is about gathering resources and upgrading your village, and resources are easily obtained by completing quests. Sometimes you don't have to hit level 13, I passed the offer on level 12. The advice from me is to quickly join an alliance, then we will be able to get help in building. It takes 22 hours to build a fortress on the 12th level, but we don't have to wait that long because there are accelerators in the game. Here another 3 accelerators. You really get a lot of it in the game. We go to ySense and see $14 in our account. For doing King of Avalon I got $11.30. Here I already withdrawn $5 of that $14. Then I thought it was a good idea to record the next withdrawal, so that you can see that it is not a scam. Here you have the earlier payout after currency conversion, and here is the withdrawal options from Skrill, from where you can send money to your bank account. Okay, we are ordering another payout. And here you have all the options we can pay out for. Remember, to withdraw with PayPal you must have the same email on ySense. Unfortunately, I don't have this option because I lost access to my email. That's why I pay out on Skrill. Here we have how money has already arrived, for which I bought a cryptocurrency. Easy money, we pay out another $5. Here we have all 3 payouts shown from ySense and selling cryptocurrency. There are many offers that we can make, mostly games. And now we pay it to our bank account. There are large fees on Skrill, so I recommend PayPal to you. That's all from my side. Give a like. Bye bye.